In this video, let's add a crosshair and give our physics objects the ability to be thrown like in Half-Life. First, let's create the crosshair. For that, all we will be doing is adding a image in our WPP HUD that we created before and aligning it to the center, as that's where our crosshair should be. Next, we will add a fire input. When pressed, if we are holding an object, we release it from the physics handle and apply an impulse force in the direction of the camera's forward vector. This makes the object fly forward. Now we can not only pick up the objects, but also launch them at high speeds. Just like that, you have got a working Half-Life style throwing mechanic in under 2 minutes.